Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to present my midterm project. The title is the how to determine the determinacy and stability of structure using Python. The outlines of my presentation. First of all, we have problem description. It is about determinacy and stability and case study frame structures and or choices. Purpose. Orders, this stack help. And after we have step-by-step procedure, examples, output, references. Problem description, determinacy and stability. So in structural engineering, determinacy and stability are crucial for ensuring that structure perform safely and effectively. And below, these are the conditions for determinacy and stability. First of all, for frame structure, these are the conditions for determinacy and stability of frame structure. And after we have the conditions for determinacy and stability for truss structure. Assignment instructions. So we read a Python program that where we will ask first for the structure type, and we will input the required information about the structure, and it will we identify its determination stability, and after we print out the output, we're gonna see the demonstration later. Purpose, orders, this task help. This help first of all to practice using the input function in Python, apply if-else logic in Python. Thirdly, connect computer science principle to civil engineering applications. Hopefully, strengthen understanding about structural deterministic stability concept and strengthen understanding of handling different data type. Step-by-step procedure. In our code, we first of all the we ask for the structure type. We have to enter the structure type. Second, we collect structure information. If it is about the frame structure, so we enter the number of external reactions. If it is about after entering the number of external reaction, we enter the number of members. For if the structure type is truss, so we enter the number of bars or the number of members of the truss. And after we enter the number of external reactions. And lastly, we enter the number of joints. If the structure is indeterminate, so we also calculate the degree of its degree of indeterminacy. And lastly, we interpret and display the result about the structure. We have some example. Let's go straight up to the Anaconda environment. We are going to see a demonstration. Okay, this is the code to identify the so we we can see here we have a frame structure. let's say, yeah, this is, as we can see, this is a frame structure. So we are going to classify if it is determinate or indeterminate or stable. So we get this frame structure. So we calculate we know the structure type is a frame. So we calculate uh the number of external reaction. This is being it's about 4, and the number of member is 1. Okay. Now we go we jump to the environment, the anaconda environment. So we have this. So we run the code here, run the code. So first of all, it asks for the structure type. We just come to see is about the frame structure. So we type frame structure, external reaction. External reaction is about for external reaction, for as we can see, for external reactions, member of number of non-members is 1. And it say the frame structure is tactically indeterminate and its degree of indeterminacy is 1. We are going to check, we're going to check. So we go back. So it is. The frame structure is statically indeterminate and its degree of indeterminacy is 1. This is for the frame structure. Now let's do for the chart structure. We see the structure type is charts. We all see that as in the picture that is a choice, and we are going to calculate the number of bar. The number of bar is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. And the number of reactions, this is a pin, this is a ruler, 2, 3, 3 reaction. Number of joints, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now let's go back to the anaconda environment. Okay, now let's run the code here. We run the code. Enter the structure type. We enter, as we just come to see, is a choice. We enter choice. Number of bars is about 14. External reaction, we can go to check again. The external reaction is about 3 because 3 external reaction. Number of joints, 8. And what is it? Say the structure is statically indeterminate and its degree of indeterminacy is 1. We go to check. The structure is in its degree of indeterminacy is 1. Now let's do one more example about the frame structure. So let's try this one. First, the structure type as we can see the picture is a frame structure. And let's calculate the number of reaction. This is a pin, and this one is about 3. So we can calculate its determinacy and stability. Okay. Another example, structure type. We enter frame structure. Number of reactions about 3. and number of member is a 1. So you say the frame structure is statically determinate and stable. So we can check the result. The structure is statically determinate and stable. Yeah, this is all about the how we use Python to calculate the determinacy of a frame structure or choice. For the frame structure, for for the procedure, first of all, we enter the structure type. If it is a frame structure, we enter frame structure. If it is a choice, we enter choice. For frame structure, after we enter structure type frame structure, we enter the number of external reactions, and after the number of members, and we will find the result. Um, that's all about my midterm project presentation, and most of the exercise were taken from the structural analysis book, chapter 2 and chapter 3. Chapter 2 is about determinacy and stability of frame structure, and chapter 3 is about determinacy and stability for choice. Thank you.